Hello there everybody, it's time for another car review and today I'm proudly present to you the 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, also known as Power of Identity. For 50 years, the Porsche 911 has been the quintessential sport car. Through the decades, it has remained true to its roots as a serious performer, with enough refinement and innovation to appeal to more sophisticated drivers with deeper pockets, rather than explode onto the scene with completely reworked 911 every generation. Porsche top sport car has evolved, aging ever closer to perfection. The latest 2014 Porsche 911 lineup followed this tradition, providing stunning performance, decadent luxury and all-day comfort in a single package. To date, there are a total of 13 different Porsche 911 available, not to mention hundreds of other options. At least one of them will definitely suit your needs. And today, I would like to give a big shout out to Brian Harris Audi and Porsche in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, located on Airline Highway, for letting me come out to film the 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. They are very professional and friendly and will help you find the perfect vehicle that you always dreamed of. Come check them out near or far, even if you're just in town and need your vehicle service, or just wanted to look for a new Porsche or Audi and perhaps bring it to a new home. The 911 Carrera models are equipped with bi-xenon headlights with dynamic leveling system, including a headlight cleaning system and dynamic branch control. With low or high beam, the LED front light units incorporate direction indicators, daytime running light and position light. Automatic headlight activation is also included as standard. The moment it gets dark, the daytime running light switch off and the low beam headlight switch on automatically. The front offer 8.5 by 20-inch alloy wheels. Behind the wheels are the set of 13.4 vented rotor with 6 piston calipers. Porsche lettering are also printed on the brake caliper. Front brake pads also have wear indicators on each pad, so you know exactly when you need to replace it. The rear offer 11 by 20-inch alloy wheels. In the back, you see the LED tail light, LED turn signal light, and the rear light strip. The engine are also located on the rear for this car. This is the vent for the air to come out from the engine. And last but not least, the quad round chrome tip exhaust with the black diffuser. The car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The interior features full black leather seats with silver accenting on the door panel, on the dash, and the center console. The 911 Carrera S models are powered by a 3.8-liter boxer engine with direct fuel injection and variable cam plus. It produces 400 horsepower at 7,400 RPM, and the maximum amount of torque is 345 pound-feet. It's achieved at 5,600 RPM. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, and top speed is limited to 185 miles per hour. 3-position memory seating. Both windows are fully automatic. Carrera 4S aluminum door sill. The trunk and the hood release is located next to the seat. The front seats offer 14 ways power adjustment with 3-position memory seating, as well as 4-way power lumbar. Both are heated and ventilated. Aluminum pedals with black stripes. The electromechanical power steering with vario ratio also have height and reach adjustment. The 3-spoke design steering is fully wrapped in leather with silver accenting in the middle. Feels really good. And here's your light control. The 7-inch LCD color touchscreen with navigation system, as well as the full Bose surround sound system, pushing out 235 watts and total of 9 speakers. There's your analog clock, the double air vent, stereo setting with dual climate control. This 911 Carrera 4S model is an all-wheel drive with 7-speed manual transmission, hazard light, door lock, Sport Plus, suspension, traction control off. This is your moonroof setting. One touch open and close, tilt. Universal garage door opener, light, sun visor mirror with a card holder, center storage compartment with 12-volt power outlet, glove box compartment, also come with another 12-volt power outlet, USB and auxiliary input. Bose surround sound system, alright, let's get to the back and see how it feels in the back and get the personal view to the cabin. The interior of the 911 cabin is downright luxurious with top-notch leather upholstery, extra cargo space in the back. Both of the seats can fold down for additional cargo. And this is how it looks with the moonroof fully open. Looks very good, very sporty. And the trunk is located in the front of the car. The car offers a pretty good amount of cargo space for its size. Overall, the 911 is a great performance sport car with a lot of luxurious features. It is suitable for daily use thanks to thoughtful design and modern technology. That is it for today's review, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you will get the latest information as well as latest video review. And I'll see you guys next time.